Here's a little story for you. Pat is a math student and is in math class learning subtraction and addition. Now, Pat hates maths but loves video games. And because of that, Pat is disengaged from the maths lesson until Pat's teacher shows them how to use addition and subtraction to set a simple budget in order to save for a popular video game coming out in about 3 months from now. Pat now understands the importance of the maths lesson, is now more engaged, remembers the lesson, and can now replicate the knowledge by creating a budget to save for the video game. This is what's known as cognitive learning. And it's what we do at Able to create video content to make e-learning easy and engaging. So let's break it down. What is cognitive learning? Why is it important? And how can you apply it to your business or for any messaging that you're creating? So this is a large topic, but for the sake of time, cognitive theory is essentially all about thinking about thinking. It's learning how the brain works when people are learning. So here, check out this graph. This is the cognitive learning loop, and a student first starts to understand why learning a subject actually matters. And that can be tricky, as each person always will have a different motivation for learning. For example, why are you watching this video? Maybe you want to improve engagement and comprehension of a message you want to give, and you're trying to have people remember and implement that message. The student will then memorize the information more effectively if they can relate the lesson to previous life experiences. So when you're giving a message, it's a really good idea to try and make the examples you give relatable. This is to build a deeper knowledge of whatever they're learning, little by little, piece by piece. So applying cognitive theory really depends on the subject, but you can take your existing message, find the motivation of the students or employees, and tell them why it matters. Walk them through that understanding so they can use the skills in real life or in the workplace, or make your message memorable to become a better educator, drive sales goals, have a general understanding of how to follow a new internal process or policy, and for Pat, so that they can buy the video game after doing their maths homework, of course. Sorry, Pat, you know how it is. Okay, so now you may have a general understanding of what cognitive learning actually is. For more information on how you can use cognitive learning in your educational video, check out this website here, and we'll see you next time.